SubQ It works by pinching both edges of the incision with these pinchers and then simultaneously everting the tissue over these feet. The handle can be squeezed a small amount and released to allow the tissue to be repositioned before firing. To use SubQ It, lift the tissue at the apex and insert the orange introducer. Confirm that both edges are lifted equally and fire. The handle must be fully squeezed and will not release until the suture is inserted. Do not lift the driver after firing. Simply leave the introducer in the incision and slide it back 7 to 10 millimeters. Grasp the tissue where the previous fastener was placed and repeat. Lift, pinch, and fire. At the end of the incision, simply pull back into the apex and the final fastener will be the correct distance for a secure closure. We recommend spreading the incision to test the strength and uniformity of the closure. Final appearance is shown here, mild eversion with no tension on the edges.